lunch. Here are the choices: fried chicken, pancit, and more fried chicken, spaghetti, pork with barbecue sauce on the side. We have croissant and more bread and a lot of fruits. And here's a pumpkin bread with cranberry, pumpkin pie, apple turnover, pecan pie, more pumpkin pie. Here's some Danish kringle, pumpkin squares, and cookies. Rice cake, and this is what I cooked: spaghetti squash, and there's chips around it. There's also vegetable salad, potato salad, and broccoli with ham, broccoli with pasta, and this is my plate. Everything I ate for